All right, folks, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at how to make money from YouTube for small channels or no subscribers at all. You don't need lots of subscribers to make money on YouTube. It's a very simple system, folks. But first, please subscribe to my channel. I make videos about making money online. Hit the notification bell as well. You'll be notified of any new videos I have coming out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. If you want to make a full-time income, passive income, make money while you're sleeping, make money while you're on vacation, all that good stuff, check out my #1 recommendation in the link below. It's also going to teach you a lot of the stuff that I'm going to explain right here in a lot more detail there. But anyways, here we go, folks. So today we're taking a look at how to make money from YouTube if you don't have, the Google AdSense, smaller channels, you don't have that many subscribers. So I'm going to take a look at this toaster right here, folks. So this is something, now obviously it's just a toaster, but the point is you take any product you have laying around your house and you just do a review on it and you put it up on YouTube. This guy has 21 subscribers and he has 26,000 views on this toaster. And this was uploaded in 2016. So this is ongoing. He does not have an affiliate link here, but what you're going to do is sign up for like an Amazon affiliate account. And I do have a couple blog posts that I can send you to too as well. How to earn money from Amazon reviews and don't get banned from the Amazon affiliate program. Top reasons why you might get banned, because you don't want to get banned from the affiliate program. But you want to sign up for the affiliate program. It's free to sign up. And there's a lot kind of rules, of course, because it is Amazon and there's lots of things like that. But anyways, I'll put those links in the video description below as well, but we'll get back to this. You just sign up for the affiliate program, and then you find this toaster on Amazon, and then you put the affiliate link in here. This guy doesn't have one, or this guy or girl, or Ron, so it's a guy. So he's missing out on some money here he could be making here, All right, another one here is this woman here. She has a washer machine. She almost has 1 million views, folks, 1 million. So, and she does have an affiliate link actually that goes to Amazon. So if you buy from her, if you click on this link, you say, oh, I want to get that machine. Or even if you don't get that machine, you go to Amazon per se, and anything you buy that I would buy, she would get a commission on within the next 24 hours. Like say I buy this one here, or that one there, or this one, it doesn't matter which one I even buy. I'm going to get a commission, or she's going to get a commission, whoever the person is in the video, or with the affiliate link. So it's not that hard. I mean, she has a little bit more followers. She almost 4,000 followers, but the point is you can do it with just items you have laying around your house already. See if it's on Amazon. There's millions of other affiliate programs you could join, maybe not millions, but a lot. There's Target, there's all kind of other places. And to show you some, I have another channel that I do a lot of reviews on, and I've been doing it for a while, so I have like 15,000 subscribers on this channel, which is still a very small channel, but companies now send me products. That drum set you saw me playing in the beginning of this video, it's a $500 retails for $500. A company sent that to me. Simmons, the drum company, sent that to me for free to do a review for on YouTube. And not only that, let's see here. I have the video. So I did this review for this drum kit here. Now it's almost at 1,000 views. It's only a couple weeks old. And plus it's a new drum kit. But the point is, I have this drum kit here that I got for free. And I can do whatever I want with this kit. I'm going to keep it, but I could sell it if I wanted to and make a good profit that way. And I have an affiliate link here. This one is to a Musician's Friend, not Amazon. But Musician's Friend has an affiliate program as well, and that's where they're selling the drum kit. And if anyone buys it from my affiliate link, I'm going to make a commission from as well. And then I have a blog post. Now this is a little getting further down the line. But I have a blog post on a website that I have called drumlessjazz.com. that also has a site that also has a review for the drum kit of it on it, and this has affiliate links on it as well. Now the reason I have the blog is because I do affiliate marketing, and I have people searching on Google. And if you come to Google here and search for Simmons SD600, that's the name of the kit, you want the model number and everything. I'm this average position of 3.7. And this is only for the last 7 days here. I had 18 clicks out of 115 impressions. Again, it's a newer kit. It just came out on the market. So it's, Guitar Center, Musician's Friend, the music stores have it. They get the top spots here. I'm right here with my rating, and then I have the video. And if you go to Google search for the video, I got this video, I got that video, That's the Guitar Center video from a different year. But I got out of the top 4, I got top 3 videos. Those are all my videos there. And I got a playlist here as well. So I'm getting very well received in the Google searches as well for this product here. This is one of the playlists. I've made lots of drum loops with the kit. I normally don't make this many videos for one product, but I'm showing you what's possible. A Donner guitar. Donner sends me lots of products. Go to my other YouTube channel here. They sent me other products. I got the U-Bass, 19,000 views. A Donner electric guitar, almost 3,000 views. You know, they fluctuate the views. Sometimes it's kind of weird. The things like 17,000 views for this just guitar pedal supply thing, almost 9,000 views for this guitar, 30,000 views for this looper. It's, you know, I got a thumb piano that has like, what, 80,000 views. It's weird, just stuff that gets a lot of views sometimes just surprises you. So the point is, just make reviews for things that you have in your house already, and put in your affiliate links, folks. You don't need to do the blogs. Blogs is extra. I do the blogs to get, and I do make money from blogs from other things, and that's what my number one recommendation below is going to teach you how to do, is it with blogs as well. But the point of this video is for YouTube and stuff like that. And then I have an Amazon link right here. Of course, it goes to Amazon, and then if people buy this or any other product, I'm going to get a commission from. So it's a way to make money from YouTube if you don't have too many subscribers. Just start somewhere. Start making reviews for different products. You can even have a different channel for that. I have multiple YouTube channels. Check out my blog posts here. Don't get banned from Amazon affiliate program, because people do get banned because you get so many rules that they have. It's not, too crazy, but I have a list of things here, and you definitely want to read their operating agreement. That's actually, in fact, my number one reason people get banned. They don't read all that stuff, and they don't know what they're doing, and they do the wrong things. Also, again, check out my number one recommendation here for making money online, and they're going to teach you a lot about affiliate marketing through blogging and stuff like that. I do a lot of that as well, because you want to get the Google search. Like you saw, I had the blog post and the videos up there for Google searches. So you definitely want to check this out. This is really cool. You get 2 free websites to start. It's a free membership. You don't need any credit card or anything to sign up. It's just a lot of really cool stuff. There's a whole community of people here that will help you out, transfer your ideas into profits. There's many other companies besides Amazon that have affiliate programs. Amazon is just one of the easiest ones that people use, but there's eBay, there's Etsy, there's even the WA program here as well. So there's tons and tons and tons of ways to make money online and different things going on, folks. So get a free membership to this community here as well. It's well worth it because it's obviously free, so it's endless opportunities, zero risk. If you want to sign up for the premium account, that is great too, but you don't need to, and you don't even need a credit card or anything to sign up. So check that out as well, folks. That is all for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I upload frequently videos about making money online. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.